With almost 6 months into the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the subsequent sanctions, global thermal coal prices of mid-calorific value have eased considerably from their peak levels in March. Rising Russian coal imports in the Asian market is the key factor driving the price fall, as discounted high CV Russian coal is being booked at $185 per ton CFR in the Indian market, while mid-CV Russian coal is being sold at $150 per ton CFR in the Chinese market. The major shift in trade dynamics has so far affected coal shipments from Indonesia, South Africa and Australia, the traditional suppliers to Asia. As per Coalman's assessment, South African and Australian mid-CV grades have eased by over 20%. While that of Indonesian coal has dropped by 16%, mainly due to weak Chinese demand. According to the current market dynamics, cost-competitive Russian coal has successfully managed to capture the key buyers of thermal coal in China and India. India's thermal coal import from Russia hit their highest level in July this year, rising by 1.34 million tonnes as several non-power sectors switched to blending Russian coal with domestic and other origin imported coal. China's thermal coal import from Russia touched their 9 months high of 2.7 million tonnes in July as traders seized the opportunity to book Russian cargoes at attractive prices. Despite record high domestic coal output in China this year, traders eyed cheaper alternatives in Russian coal as a substitute for shipments from other origins, and also due to the ease of transaction in yuan for Russian coal, other Asian buyers such as South Korea and Taiwan also have brought in Russian cargoes in the past few months, contrary to their commitment to restricting imports from the country. In fact, South Korea's thermal coal imports from Russia touched its 23-month high in July at 1.90 million tonnes. Despite all this, high CV grade coal prices continue to trade higher amid strong European demand and due to elevated LNG prices and a constrained supply situation from Russia. Market experts claim that even with record high levels of coal prices this year, it is less expensive than gas, which is likely to boost Europe's coal import in the coming months. For more updates on coal and coke market, stay tuned to Coalmint Blogs.